Another day at the farm. There's the farm dog and the new little barn. Over there you can see all the mulch has been laid, and that area is to be planted. This area is the tomatoes, and there is Chase weed whacking the weeds. So he's getting in between the silver mulch he's got down here, which is a lot more expensive apparently. Nice and peaceful up here today. There's a plane coming or going. So the airport's, I think, somewhere down there on the coast.